In this video, we learn how to add a website in Google Search Console. First of all, open the Google Search Console website and click on Start Now. Now, here are two options. One is with domain. You can use it to verify your domain, but in our case, we use the second option, URL prefix. Now, go to your website and copy the URL of the website. Paste it in the box and click on Continue. Checking will start. Now, to verify ownership, you can download this file and upload it to your website. Click and download the file. Now the file is downloaded. Go to the dashboard of your hPanel. In our case, we use Hostinger, but the process is the same. Now click on the option File Manager. Now open the folder named public_HTML. Here, we upload our file. Click the Upload button and select the file. Upload it. Here is our uploaded file. Now go to the Search Console website and click on Verify button. Ownership verified. Now click on Go to Property option. Here, your website is added in Google Search Console. You can see Performance. Here you can add new sitemaps. All options are available here. Thanks for watching.